Good morning, Ellen. It's Art Starr. Ellen, I know you told me that you really like this GLK, so I'm going to make this short video. We're going to go all around the car, show you everything all over again, and I'm going to ask a favor of you. I'm going to ask you to watch it 8, 9, 10 times until you do fall in love with it, okay? Because I think this would be a perfect car for you. The Honda Element has had its day, and now it's time to go into something new. So let's take a walk around your new car, okay? And just let's see how pretty the car really is. I mean, you've got your LED daytime running lights in here, okay? You've got the turn signals in amber here. You've got your alloy wheels. Now, light alloy wheels are not only pretty, they serve a function. It reduces the amount of weight not supported by the suspension, so it gives all your components in that wheel area a longer life, okay? You have the mirrors with the side turn signals on the side, okay? They fold away if you have to go into Boston or something like that, okay? Inside the vehicle, you've driven it. The wood is all real wood. It's real burled walnut wood, okay? This vehicle has a navigation built into it. Okay, it has a Bluetooth telephone built into it. Has an electric tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It has dual zone air conditioning, and it's truly dual zone. The Japanese cars hide a sensor in the passenger footwell to monitor the temperature, and then they average. So it's not truly dual zone. This car also has these chrome inserts, so when your fingernails over time go in here, you're not going to be scratching the paint. This happens with many vehicles. You've sat in the back seat. You and I both sat in the back seat. You know there's plenty of room in the back seat. This vehicle also comes standard with roof rails. So all Thule accessories, ski racks, bike racks, etc., will fit on these roof rails. The tailgate is electric, and it works with 2 pistons, so it goes up easy, it closes easy. I showed you the other day how to set the tailgate so it doesn't go up too far, which is still where we set it the other day. If we look down in here, okay, you've got a compact spare, but you do still have a spare, okay? And I showed you this that because it has the protective lug nuts, so your wheels will never have to, you'll never run the risk of having your wheels stolen. Something we didn't show you the other day, but is here. There's a 115 volt outlet in the back of this. That's an inverter, and that's a fairly expensive item to buy and put into a car after the fact. This car already has it. Taking a look from this side shot here, you know, with the sun on it, the car is absolutely gorgeous. It's good looking front and rear. It's got just enough chrome. It's not gaudy. And I really think you will love this car. Absolutely love it. And you know, once you see the video and see it 8 or 10 times and do fall in love with it, I want you to give me a phone call. 286-4456 is the number, Ellen. And we can have this car ready for you in 1 hour. Thanks.